break it to see bantu makotia.
Because I said, there I go. Then I'll catch him, Papa. Huh? Who when you're woody? Then I'll walk a catch him, Papa. I remember any money to go. Papa said, yes, I'm over catch him, over catch him. On teaching me, said the man last day. That's okay. We are going to make it. Boom. Boom. Who when you're with your credit?
Papa, don't pan out to us and don't give me any.
Uncle Bichona.
I'm going to my dinner, baby. I'm winning my. May solve a problem. No, we will name Koyas. Quality. One problem about. As someone can. Bonnet class. And your bonnet class. And your bonnet class. Me catch them say. 1, 2, 4. Baby, I would do the apple. That if you did the whole. A so on, I want to mean yen yet room while you will jam. What would you know? I said, would you know, I left me. On I left me both. Then both. Mammy can show. Mammy can show. Men are here to show Kumha. Unim. If you papa and moon are telling on Saturday,
BK and I said PPP. When I want to room away, you would and you want to mamma. What's it?
Ah! Papa, don't now make us out to Mamma.
Hey, you know,
when you're talking about 3,000.
Now, Yampa, eh?
Papa.
Oh, Casamo, quite. Okay, corner in and coffee. You can say, Beffia, you cook. None near my papa. Main cockade. One more buying. One more, I am a size. Papa, huh? There for me, in outside. Yammy, I bet you am come. I never feel me to me cabin to the book.
Papa, I'm bound, Casamamin Casamon, or something.
Semino non be a boon any farewell. Boom, dear.
Papa is a man, then about Mr. Cockatch.
If you are sitting, a dinner man of Crasano. But who has some make catch you? Said the baby, I wouldn't hear my bed 2 years. Where you through wedding? Said Minya. You, Matty.
That's now I'm on my baby.
Please wait for me, okay? Let me just see to my friend. I'll come back. Sarafina! Fina! Yes? Hey, girl. You are looking good. You are not looking bad yourself. Oh. Hey, I'm fine. Where are you going all dressed up like this? I'm waiting for mine. Okay. You and mine. It's Sarafina. So you guys are still together? Yes, of course, yes. You should be ready to tie the knot, you know? Very soon. Well, the man gotta do what the man gotta do, and it's all good. I'm happy for you. You're looking very good. Very nice.
Yourself.
Yeah.
Thank God. You know my father. You know the old problem. Now it has gotten so bad.
Oh my God.
Sister, it has gotten so bad that he now carries it to anyone who talks in my favor. Can you believe that he shouted on top of his voice, insulting Auntie Jennifer for what he calls interfering in his family affairs? I don't mean it. This woman has been with us since I was born. She's more or less my mother. You should have been there to see the way my father is treating her.
God, how can your father do such a thing to you? An only daughter. I don't believe this.
Last night, he embarrassed her to the extent that she cried the whole night. And I had to console her. Sarah,
This has gotten so far.
so far, you can say that again. I think I have a solution to this problem. That is why I'm here. You know, we talk over anything. You are the only person I discuss my problems with. Now, I want to leave the house.
No. Sarah, no, don't think about that, please.
Serafina, what is there for me to do anymore? What is there for me to do? I can't cook. I can't do washing. Not even how to do the house chores. I have to find a way to be a real woman. Not to be a disgrace to my children and the man who will marry me in future. I have to be a real woman. I don't know how to do anything.
I understand you. I share your pains too. But that's not the best option to take. Please.
So what do you suggest we do?
Talk to a pastor or any prominent person you know to talk to your father.
Sarah, the man goes to work on Sundays. He doesn't know what is called church. He doesn't go to church. And I know exactly what he would do if I should bring a pastor to talk to him.
God.
Sarah, it has really gotten bad.
This is too much. But please, Sarah, don't think about running away or getting out of the house. Please.
I don't know what to do again. My father is harassing me here and there in the house. I'm not happy.
Let me go and clear them. This bodyguards.
Tell them that my father has been ordering them around to follow me like flies.
Oh my God. But think about what I've told you, please. Okay.
Are you sure what I said?
Please wait.
Nana.
You won't Kaka.
You, Nana, maybe a pimp, yes, in the pin. You could hear you, woman, send your baby out this say, Korea, in Chelsea, your bomber. And go for a dinner. Nana, that in it, and almost said,
and crack.
Oh, Mamma, no good to pray with me, fool.
I ain't yet.
Yes, you ain't to me, Thomas, you in Chelsea, is all your baby. If I told Yanka won't be, I'll go for you. We catch them, me got till them catches a Hannah Mujina, or so or Dutch, or Dutch when you ampa. Oh, future, aye. You are put a door and we may. La,
We have been planning for him, said, yeah. Of any big kind. If you be any home, said we'll be on your bay 4 days. Yet to be jealous for me, yes, Sacramento. You buy 2 and I'm yes, I want to say,
emre da ho no ene ye fa so amadachi ye di wa nchirima no pe pa bo
wo ha
ntiru we die di odika no yinwe na di odika
asema ye kan munya nte ne papa
we die asem we die metias asem obekay lukura bi anim
What's that?
We are going off as an antinko. Yeah, me, Manana, the every turn out.
See, you took count.
Madame,
that open up a channel. The
homie and your mouth.
na open no show man salary na nka de na bu na carry for account ho
Nana, woman has
you're coming at all.
What did I say? Oh, to move about he said, what did I say?
You come na me ano.
We the champions, you remember, say, so, Fabara, well, we do the job. Oh, God, so one call and there's a book was it to be there. Minimum more than the banana land go from where you are going to. That's not by Jana. Oh, no. What did you look out? Open. Yeah, if you are to me, I'll tell me. Nana, ready? Oh, my man, can you yes? Mupa wani pia kwa yeye wa mwenye wani pia Franco ameka sekretari Mupa bro next time yeah bobo muyo Mupa time ya munu
Papa boy na ko kala necessary Brazil for France. Come go. Say no, we boomra. What man so me phone. Me phone. No.
Check what say. We are in a back. It is all Cassa, and I would tell a monk cry to me who's all your this year. That's it, you know. This is me. Let's say, I'm coming an animal, Nananmo Ecrasia. Would I better take over? You know, to be now, yeah. That ye. Would you answer 490? Won't do Yansa and a sow? Must man know.
Papa Mati.
Nana, see, if you don't cry there. In Faba, and yet, and Papa, you don't come. I am Musu. Put the thing can come. And you know, crack. And crack. And I'm for. And see.
Would you burn in bread? You have a bread.
Hey, you're going to be careful. Really, here, me, we be here, me. I think I'm over time.
Dad. Daddy, isn't that drink too much?
This is good stuff. Good stuff. What I say? What do you know? What do you know? What do you know? Oh.
Well, if you get a breakdown, I'll be far away and we'll see how you suffer without me.
Me breakdown? Look who is telling me breakdown. Also that it's like me. Oh. Did you say you go away? Oh. You leave your dearest father?
Daddy, please, I want to visit Uncle Asamoah. I promised to visit him this weekend, and tomorrow is the day.
Oh, your uncle?
Yes, Dad.
I see. So how long will you be gone?
Daddy, 1 week.
Oh, so you leave me here for 1 whole week? What do you want me to do?
Daddy, what is this?
Okay, all right. Okay. Permission granted?
Ha! Please, thank you.
But on one condition.
Yes. And place that one on top of the other one, yes.
Daddy, I'm going to miss you.
I know. Enjoy yourself, all right?
Oh, Auntie Jay, please stop crying. Stop crying.
Ah, why are you hugging her as if you're not going to see her anymore? I thought you were going for just a week.
Daddy, you know how close she is to me. And being away for even an hour feels like eternity. The thought of it drives me crazy. Auntie Jay, please stop crying. I'm so coming, okay? I'm weak, you good girl, okay?
Look, be good when you go. Should you need anything, just let me know. All right?
Okay.
And don't be surprised to see me in Cape Coast. Don't be surprised.
Daddy,
Yes.
I will disappoint you. Daddy, I will disappoint you because if I see you there, I will dodge.
You dodge me. Wonderful. You dodge me.
Daddy, I will dodge you.
Your dearest daddy.
Daddy, please don't come around. Auntie Jay, please don't. Stop crying. Stop crying, please. Okay.
Right.
I'm leaving.
Safe journey.
Okay, Daddy.
Safe journey. Bye, my dear. Bye.
Yes.
Where is Patricia? Patricia.
Daddy.
You will be held responsible if anything happens to my only daughter.
Yes, Daddy.
What? Where are you going to? I'm just going to give this to my friend, okay? So please wait for me.
Hello? Oh, boss. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Madam Sawa. Madam Sarah.
Guys, come around. She escaped. What? How would we explain this to us? Okay.
John.
Boss.
I want you to go and see the commercial manager of the water company. They are subletting some contracts. Let's try and see if we can get a chip of the cake, you know what I mean? And also, go to Auntie Fossey. Auntie Fossey. Yeah, and tell her I need to see her immediately. Good. Now, you told me that you need some more money. Could it be that you need money for your numerous funerals that you attend?
Oh no, boss. It's not that. It's the increment.
What is happening here? What brought you so early? Won't you open your dirty mouth and say something? I'll deal with you outrightly. Where is she?
Sir, she stopped over to see a friend, Sarafina, and she never came back.
She was nowhere to be found. We are very sorry, sir.
Hey! Hey! My daughter! She's gone! I did tell you people to ensure that Sewa arrives in Cape Coast safely. Oh yes! Now you are standing there like some dummies telling me that I will deal with you like no man's business if you don't find Sewa for me in 1 hour's time. You are sorry, sir. Oh, you are sorry. You should be sorry for yourselves. Go and find Sewa for me, or your tribute will be written on your own tombstones. Now get out from my sight. Out! I said out! Hey! How can this be?
Imagine.
And you? Patricia. Remember? I told you I will hold you responsible if anything happens to my daughter. Didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you? Go inside and wait for me. And sit down there. Fools! Out of this house and look over there! What's this?
It's unimaginable.
What's this? Now you. John.
Boss.
This is serious. Very, very serious. We'll start an investigation. I'll tell Mr. Akoto I'll come to his office personally. Come and see you, okay? But we'll start the investigation right now. Don't worry. Okay? This is serious. But have you checked her friends' houses and those kind of things?
Yes, we have done all our best, but we can't find anything.
Don't worry. Okay? We'll do the search.
Driver.
Yeah?
I told you I'm going to Kumiko.
Kumiko?
Yeah.
You know that?
No, I don't know that, but don't you know that before you took off, right?
Yeah, it's not right from here.
No problem, let's go.
Shall we go?
Yeah, let's go.
Are you okay?
I'm fine, please. Be fast, okay, but be
no.
gentle also, because I need my life.
But it will cost you.
How much will you charge?
50 gas. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Driver, please, behind.
Oh, don't worry. It will soon get okay.
Jennifer.
Sir.
Jennifer.
Sir.
I want you to tell me the truth. Just the truth. Are you saying you don't have the slightest idea where Sewa could have gone to?
No. Sir, I don't have any idea about where she's gone to. She told me nothing, sir. It's true.
Jennifer, I suspect you. I suspect you because lately you have been spending more time with Sewa, gossiping, talking, doing things together. And I wouldn't be far from wrong to suspect you that you know where Sewa is. Jennifer.
Sir.
I'm giving you till tomorrow 4 p.m. If you do not produce Sewa, I will personally hand you over to the police whilst investigation goes on. I bet you. I will do it.
Please. I told you I don't know nothing about his disappearance. I beg you. It's true.
Try me. Try me. I want my daughter. If you don't produce her, I will pound your bones and serve you dinner with it.
That's the lady. Arrested.
For what? Huh?
Obey before complaint. We leave you on the charge.
For what? What have I done?
You can remain silent or anything to say will be a charge against you and a robber. Move. Move.
Bet me, Mammy Joe. Mammy just how fear crying.
Oh, why, yeah.
With a mess one. Das.
Then I was so say.
Come in there, man. Wait me. Shall I free again, Nabra? And I'm a man, shoot a crown. Why? Hands ready, come.
Mama, yeah.
I don't know. You.
Mommy, Pacha Akan a foam who be on.
I hire foam na. Mena me tea.
Pacha say,
Mena me tea. Ahana me tea.
Udaha.
Me dahaya.
Okay.
Ene na ye na akọ se wo kokuru se wo kokuru mo ho me nko ja nsi kwan me na akọ
Mommy. We dey me ye ho kuma.
Tinam se me de oba kire kwan ni mo ho.
Me ni mo bi a kire, me ni mo bi a. Ayi, madam fu bi. Ana mi se na ofi ha. Na o kire me ka chen se mpese me ba village. Me bet na village ha. Na o kire me ha kwan ba me ni mo bi a wa ha. Nti nya me kra na ma me hia wo kwan yeso. Tinka mpese wo nko a wo ti ha di aka me ne wo tena.
Wonni me metena. Ei. Aseme de aseme so dae. Na abayiwa wo ba biti na wo besra wadanfo. Na wonni no na me hyi a meti. Wo da bi. Wo de yen kokrom ne duru ase police station kura wo de ye kwa e bia na wo hu wadanfo no why. Na me de mesra me ha de mintime ne wo ntena. Me be nsuo tokura he. Me da nsuo me gina nchensi ya na nsuo nate. Na ha sensu kane bie ni ha. Kane bibie ni hampa chopi. Why? Na ha nso no se mabo mekura ase wa ha na metie. Obi ni ho a wo twam ha ti mesre wala. Wo de ma menye na me fa nkuja ekwan na no na kokurum. Na uhu obi a na se uhu police ni bi na se obi a obehu bi fa nko police station. No mo ma ba bi ntina wate. Pa chopi. Why?
Pese me na otina ha.
Pese wona metina ha. Sawo ho ahiya na metio betimi atena betimi
achani
ne dere Brian kode so ba je na mentwe dan wa ya
Oh, madam, Mimi free kumikro. Pachwani.
Na mko mama wo he no.
Madam. Oh, you know. Nana you claim. Friend Nana you claim. What time you claim?
Inti mo come on moya festival.
You cool. You have fashion papa. There's a fashion in Bruce one. Nana you claim. Madam, the mixing ya oho. How go to come or two woman? They say Grana Cabese, the premium. Na Bruce.
Abiasa, what? Sorry, best for that. Why? Abiasa, who's the hanging? You soon. Why? Sorry, best for that. Sorry.
Abo, sister, you do to know. How do I come? No, who brings you? I don't want my own. So wait, I'm interested in to be. Put your comb here. How's what thing? I say, last house. Who am I design?
Hey! What's your man?
Who am I? And I'm a miss my zebra to do so.
What's your man?
Ultimi.
Open to and I make it to a family to
sister. I'm moving come why waiting why? Ultimi. Na. O ma me pa no. What's it? We are back. So soon, I did. So next one. I didn't
show why. I'm about to about the train of the
swallow the giant. Sweat. What means you know? But yeah, but we're going to go check.
I'm proud of them. What is so sending my minion? You say what? I'm not going to come. Papa, to me, my ember, come will be a man, some mammy, who they will cut off a children. no say wa obi anko no ni be ye ntu nko de onko ni de mo de ko anka nte papa ni emfe mi abro no.
Officers, you know how frustrated I've become. My fate is in your hands. Try as much as possible to look for my daughter for me. She's my only daughter. Please.
Oh, don't worry. We are doing our best to get your daughter for you.
Thank you.
Investigations are ongoing. So don't worry.
Good. God will bless you. God will bless you if you can get my daughter for me, huh?
We'll do that, sir.
All right, let me see. I have something small for you, okay? Oh, officer. You know what? I know you spend money looking for this girl. So here's something small, very small, okay? Pass by my office 10 o'clock tomorrow, first thing, and I'll give you something more. This is just something small.
No problem.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. God bless you. God bless you.
Kwaba. Yeah, no man. What to say? I'm here to man. I don't know swear.
Me so me ho ye.
Okay.
Me da.
No, Odimina, me hear me the way I be channel.
Maka cho say ya wo kwa nsa ne ma. So wa wakofa bucket we wuntimi na wakofa. Oh. That's it.
Yeah, that's man. I'm a jump be aboko ni.
I will be aboko na so e.
Yeah,
that's
Yima, and it's a one. Yima, I know. Hey, Sewa, Bonnie Bay. Has a bay. Name is you, Sudia. Eh, Sewa, need me fear anybody who didn't fight and Yahana Mamma was no. Sewa, sitting a muye, we any papa panka, including Fifi. And then see a do about corner line. Sewa, Fieni, me offer see me per se, obey you fear heavy. 1 year by Denny, 1 year went to me. I know sorry about Chinsuama, yes.
Papa, Ediani now no amount.
Emma,
the Bena or Benue Biane Mammy.
Come on to Mamma Casawa, men we are growing, met Jiraga than a woman. Who didn't want to met Jiraga than in her. What it?
Papa, no cause I see your money.
Look at all this. Moniama, I will see me. Sawa, Woniama, Imanesi. And dear, who will you answer my 7 minutes? What is soft in the galley? Now you remember the 2 fear. Sewa. What my crime you messy water? Me. Look up for a man and not the animal. Namolas, Yenny. They can't pray, men can't pray. Fat. Means if you have him and son of Messi Hannah. Let us be boom, but then you. I'm out here, you whipping. By a phone, by a fino. Who got said the Brabant no warfare? No warfare, because he said. Bay is who of Papa Bay. Messama behavior. What it? May phone a one was one.
Mammy, it's just saying.
A tune, a chose.
People like this, you don't pay attention to them.
What kind of random home tour? Huh? Sarah, We are for Flavoni. We are for Flavoni. Everybody are temper. Abu some friends are so. Who beside it? I don't know what it is. Not in the gym. What is Abu some for? We'll see you. Yes, some of my catching up on me. Hey, Madam and Papa, you won't come on, come up you. What did you make catch down? Macachos are enemy of us in a hot that. Abon Sanfo. We need a 2 Croatian. A dummy who's only the general group, 50 floor many so go. If you're in, you ready for me, right? What did you mean? What?
no bi na ye na mempem. Sewa ko to fi ya fi. Udi de ma me ne mu fi.
Ade ma.
O ma me ye ne mu fi ai.
Auntie Jennifer. We are the new.
Now we fi.
I saw no the idea to we join.
You still with two ball pan yes me.
We are the new me fa some bread.
We dey come on. Sɛ no fuza me pie. Mo fuza me pie, mo di mo konsa nessa.
O sɛ mo to mo tsa se ana. Mo tsa se. Wa san ka sia mo kai. E ma mo. Asan ka si mo.
A fa ni fie wo fifi. E ye me ya pusin. E ga mo ji. Sɛ me ha mani ka e ye me ya pusin. Emi yam pusi ni papa sina me papa fana se nti mo sha mi mitimi akasa ko fana ntwa e to mo ba se ni ko yedwuma kakaka e je mo nyeska kakaka na mo di bia ko shoma wo asem kesi na mo ana mo ka we na se papa sia mo ni se na papa sia o tia de na me pese meti sa se mo no bio mati asama me mi ni mo shi se na ye de ko yin ko tutu na ye pompa ye o ti ase na fa ko bofan shi bia no de oba anamu na manamu de manu ye de e tutu na mu bisa o ti ase mu go se ni ni bushi mu ko so ni ne
Bro ni ma ka fa awani we asanya me kan ni bo
Frank, how far is the investigation? Sir, which investigation? I guess not go to those daughters. Seraphina's one year. Sir, we are still on it, sir. Yes, Seraphina Corporation. Well, no, sir. Any vital information about her whereabouts? No, sir. So she doesn't know anything about this case? Yes, that's what she is. With my experience, the interrogation that we have, that is what I can say now. Shall we give her some dates? Yes, I think so, sir.
Mommy. Me ba village am me hu se homa fo ni nyina obi am pese obeba ne nchen ase omu ti omu fi hu kra ne mpanifo nyina e ha me pa because unye bad person nche me won wase omu yesa mama aden
ba we den kanya se wona wasa me kasa asem we chiro so wasa me ka na hu se ne ame nipa ban metie se me nye peifo na me nye obi a me ye bone bia na bone nso de bata nipa ho na awre ho sempa ni makosem se yare ene bae na yare na esi ho na ene bi kan mekum ene bi kan me mama we mienu yensom no mekum ne me ma no obi enu ha wonya nkwa
me omu wuye
omu nyina wu omu nyina wu a me oyi awkesi a me di no kuruma ne se me ye baifo na mekum me wura ne me nyina betimi ayesa ade na me na yeyi adwo nyankopon ko anu nim nti kure ye pam me wo mu a kyese obi akola kora empami wo akola kora humi a na odi matam na otimi ntesuo obi atimi ya me kyese ne asebe menye nipa kyese kuro no ye pam me wo mu kyese me nam kora ne ye pam ye hwie nsuo ye de igu me so
no
ene se me di ba bia nso ko ne se ma bebo mapata wo wirem ha metimu se bibi kura ne hia me na me se me koto ne nkwala same ne mpanifuo
what
enti che se onyankopon na hwe me so na ka me kura mawu ne se wa beto me hey.
This is so inhuman.
Ni baby ayare ni free Akan wo mu nyina che se kro na obi wo ha obi bewudi obi wuye na che se me de mabusua ni nyina ra Akan wo mu bi ansore menko aka me no na kuruman ni se ye baifu
hey ame nyame beye wai nyame beye se obi apo wanyankopon de onfu
das
menso mempo ye me baye sana waji mi atu meniji chese wo nyi ni paboni ni ti sani a omo pese omo chire no oh ya semu
me da wase na wati masimasi na nyame nhira na wede webusa me na so sani abayo kama yi na wo hu mi a nkofo apo me na wutimi ba me nche na odi dobi ma me no menti ase se me busa se ehe na wo firi ana se be bia wo wa be pi he se be se me hu abusuafo a na chese nka ye na ke se metimi ene wo mo agbo mu ana se bibisa so fiti preko pe na ba me nchen
se mame da ko pe na edi hu nipa
no kure
me de a long story mommy me mame de se be waka baby na mi sakura ama me baby am fi ba ne kwan wa ye e kwan wa pa na so mamba ne bonimu ba me ba de mpesa wo ye mame an se ti se fi adwuma aduane no ane apra ne sa ne man mame nya ni nyina wo de kire me e ba ya din na so de kire me se wo kire me sa ne man nyina na mame se me hu a I know what to do. Minim dia me so me de be da wase pa san se ma ne bonimu me ba na setena se wo be kire me ti se ne oba sisu a e kire na de san se ma mi ka ba bi na mi su anti me nya obia ma wan kire me na
mane hawo na de yonko e ka no nko ade a me kire bibia se ne si bibia wate
achu mami enti boni bia ni me papa de oti ase ni mo papa de me papa
Masakoto, like I said, we've done all what we can do, but it has been futile. Safina seems to know nothing. I mean, nothing about her movements. I can say for a fact that she is innocent.
Officer, are you certain about that? That girl's looks is deceiving. I know her. She is a very good pretender. You see?
Well, we've done all the investigations. It seems she doesn't know anything about it. She's innocent. She's innocent.
So what do I do next?
Well, I'll give you an extract to send to the media for publications and those kind of things for announcement, and then we see the outcome.
Why? I don't want to drag my family name into controversy, you know. I don't think that is proper.
Well, then the boy's in your court to decide what to do, because we've done what we can do.
Please. Know that I don't appreciate what you're doing for me. I'm very grateful, you see. But just for the fact that my family name will be dragged into controversy, you see, Inspector, it hurts so much to lose your only one daughter. As of now, she's missing. I don't even know where she is. It hurts, you see. Anyway, just give me the extract. It's difficult for me, very difficult for me.
Well, I know, but it hurts. But let me get to the station and contact the sergeant and see what to do. I'll get back to you. Okay. I'll get back to you. So you don't worry. Don't worry. I know what to do. I'll get back to you. Okay.
Madam.
So you hear from me. Okay. Bye-bye, sir.
Bye-bye. Hey. What am I going to do? This girl. And as for my bodyguards, I don't know what I'm going to do with them. To sack them, or to even kill them. Yes. Well, you deserve to die. For allowing my daughter to disappear.
ne yeti promo a ye wo ye jam
hwe ne okeka ho wa ugina ho bra I say ugina on left me so on left me
both
then both mama can show me na me de she wo krom ha unim
ti wu papa ni mu na atere on sa hwe
BK anase PPK when you want to promo a waji bi
anya wa sa ma me ho
Papa, now make us out mommy Papa.
Hey, now,
we talk no 3,000.
Papa.
Oh, Chasumo Munko. Quite. Okay, corner in and coffee. No, you say Befia, you cook. No, Niama. Minko Cade. One more buying. One more one I am a size.
Papa.
Huh?
There for me, in outside.
Yami have Siam come out, but I never feel some me to me cabin trouble.
Tina! Hey girl, you are looking good. You are not looking bad yourself. Hey, I'm fine. Where are you going all dressed up like this? I'm waiting for mine. Okay, you and mine. Hey, Sarafina. So you guys are still together? Yes, of course, yes. You should be ready to tie the knot, you know? Very soon. Well, the man gotta do what the man gotta do, and it's all good. I'm happy for you. You're looking very good. You're very nice. Yourself. Yeah. Thank God. You know my father. You know the old problem. Now it has gotten so bad. Oh my God. Sister, it has gotten so bad that he now carries it to anyone who talks in my favor. Can you believe that he shouted on top of his voice, insulting Auntie Jennifer for what he calls interfering in his family affairs? I don't mean it. This woman has been with us since I was born. She's more or less my mother.
Then I'll catch him, Papa. Huh? Who when you're woody? Then I'll walk a catch him, Papa. I remember any money to go. Papa said, yes, oh, catch him, oh, catch him. Oh, teaching me said the man another day.
That's okay. We are going
to make Boom. Boom. Hey, who when you're with your credit?
Papa, don't pan out to us and don't give me any.
Uncle Bishawana.
I'm going my dinner, baby. I'm winning my. May solve a problem. Quality.
One problem about.
I said, Mammy, Bonnet class, and your bonnet class, and your bonnet class. Me catch it and say, 1, 2, 4. Baby, I would do the apple. That if you did the whole, a so on.
Papa, I'm bound, Casamam, Casamam,
Semino be a boon and if you are. Boom, dear.
Papa is a man, then about Mr. Caco.
If you are sitting, 18 a man of Crasano. But who has some make catch you? Said the baby, I wouldn't hear my 2 years. Where you through 40, said Minya, Yo, Mati. Mati.
That's now I'm my baby.
Please wait for me, okay? Let me just see to my friend. I'll come back. Sarafina!